Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the resilient idiom, sticks and stones. It comes from the proverb, sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me, meaning verbal insults or harsh words can't cause real harm, urging you to brush off criticism with strength. It's about emotional toughness in the face of negativity. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. Her friends teased her about her new haircut, but she just laughed, saying, "Sticks and stones." She didn't let their comments bother her. When the reporter heard the angry shouts from the crowd, he remembered, sticks and stones. He continued his report without being affected by the negativity. He got mean comments online, but sticks and stones, right? He didn't let criticism deter him. The lawyer's opponent tried to insult him, but he calmly replied, sticks and stones, and focused on the facts. He remained unfazed by the personal attacks. The idiom sticks and stones has deep roots tracing back to the 19th century in English-speaking communities. The full proverb first appeared in print around 1862 in a British publication, reflecting a folk saying meant to encourage children to withstand verbal bullying. Likely born from oral traditions, its vivid imagery, physical sticks and stones versus harmless words, made it a timeless lesson in resilience. Popularized through schoolyard chants and literature, it remains a powerful reminder to prioritize inner strength over external criticism. Use sticks and stones to dismiss verbal insults or negativity, emphasizing that words lack the power to truly harm unless you let them. This idiom carries an empowering, defiant tone and is perfect for casual or supportive conversations where you want to encourage resilience or downplay harsh words. Use it carefully in sensitive contexts, as it may seem dismissive of genuine emotional pain. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.